Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about this platform. A whole lot of you have messaged me that I talk about it and I decided to talk about it. Probably to some of you, this is not the first time you are coming across this platform, and to some of you, this is absolutely new to you. So now let's dive into how this platform works. So in this platform, what you basically do is to call just like Neon, all right, just like Neon, but this one is kind of different from Neon. Okay, to some of you that know Neon, Neon is a platform where you buy a US number, then you use a VPN, changing your location to US, and then you call another Neon partner. Calls that does not attract charges. Then as you call, you get paid, and you paying, sorry, and the platform paying you, all right, for calling. Either you call or somebody call, as far as both of you are Neon users. If you receive a message called money talk, you know that that call is monetized, all right. But this one is absolutely different. What are the differences between this one and the one I just explained just now? Now, for this one, you don't need a US number, you don't need a VPN. Then this one, for the call, let me rule that aside first, but just know at the back of your mind that you don't need a VPN, you don't need a US phone number. Okay, it is accepted worldwide, unlike the other platform that is not accepted worldwide. So I skip how I downloaded the app and all of that. So if you want to download it, you can use the link in the pinned comment and download it. I skip that part because what you feel is just your basic information, nothing too serious, and that is why I did not show when I was doing the registration. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is not a get rich quick platform, all right, and earnings is not guaranteed. So I have to let you know that before we proceed to how do you earn here. As you can see on the screen, they said $20 per hour. That is what the platform said they will be paying you. So I am not the one that will be paying you. All right, it is a platform, as you can see on the screen. All right. So what are you going to do? After you use the link and you download, you go to your app store. It will take you to your app store. Then you download it. Then you can see the code on the screen because you need a code, all right, a referral code, very compulsory. So you can use that referral code and then get yourself registered. And after that, it takes you to this interface. Remember, when registering, use Nigeria, all right. They will ask you for your location, your country of residence, your English, like the kind of English you speak. You see US, you see Australia, you see Canada, you see Nigerian English, you see British. So you can decide to choose any. Make sure that the ones you are choosing is the one that you are capable of talking. Okay, if you choose US English, make sure when doing your conversation, you will be using the US English to talk. All right, so I advise that you click on Nigerian English or British. You can choose the two, or you choose one out of the two. Okay, Nigerian English or UK British English. You can choose these two, or you choose one out of the two. Don't choose any other one. All right. Country of resident Nigeria. There's no need for you to change your location. All right. So after that, it gets you to this place. If you can speak French, that will be so beautiful. You can add French also. If you can speak Portuguese or any other language, you can see, even if it is Yoruba, Yoruba is there, Igbo is there, Efik is there too. All right. You can choose all of you can add it to your language. All right. Then it gets you to this particular place. Okay, now what will you be doing now? You will start calling, but you will not just start calling. You need somebody that is a flawful user. Okay, the person you are calling must be a user, must be a user of this platform, else the call is not going to go. And that is where joining my community comes in. So if you want to make money on this platform, I don't force people to join my community, but if really you want to make money, you have to join my community to really use this platform, because as I'm making this video, a lot of people will be joining. So we will be having enough users of this platform in my community, and I will tag you and somebody together. We pair you and somebody together, okay, that will call for that day. Now, this is where the real trick comes in. As you can see this interface now, all right. You can see this particular, okay, let me take this. Okay, let's use this. So I wish I can take this off. Okay, you can see this home, you can see this call, all right. So you can see this money wallet and you can see your icon. Immediately you log in, you will meet this, okay, and then you will DM me. okay, DM me that you have registered with this. All right. So after you DM me, I will start pairing you with somebody. Now you go to your home. This is home. Now this is the interface. You go to your call. Remember, I've actually tested it, and that is why you are seeing Coach Faith pending. I'm not surprised if this call is pending, all right, because the rule is that you must call in a very quiet place. So if you don't have a quiet place to make calls, please don't make calls here. Actually, yesterday I made calls, but it was not a quiet. I just did it to test it to see how it's going to be, all right. And it's not immediately after you finish call they are going to approve it. It's going to be under review. So let it be a healthy conversation. And please, when doing conversation, don't talk about this platform in your conversation, just like Neon. Okay? Don't talk about this platform. Don't talk about how you people are going to make so much money in this platform or all this kind of stuff. No, 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 don't do that. Okay? Just talk about as if you're talking to a friend. You guys can just gist. You guys can just talk about family, talk about any other thing, but not this platform and how you're going to be making money on this platform. Don't talk about that. Okay? So now you go to your wallet, you can see. Now go to your call icon, okay? Go to your call icon. So immediately you go to your call icon, you can see now, come up here, you can see add, you can see invite, okay? Now I'm going to be sending names of people that you should save their number, because until you save that person's number, you cannot call that person. So you're going to save that person's number. You click on add, okay? You click on add. Now, if you click on add, then you type Coach Faith. If you type Coach Faith on your own, because I'm already a user, it's going to appear. Do you see it? I'm a user already. So I am going to appear. Once I appear, then you will call me, or once I appear, you know that, okay, this person, then you add me as a friend, and then wait for a while, because the platform will not just automatically add somebody for you. After you send a request to that person, okay, that person need to accept you. So the person will go over to her own interface, okay, and then accept you. Or the person will go over and send you a request also. And this will take a while. Okay, so once that is done, then after she send you a request, like me sending you a request or you sending me a request, that shows we are mutual friends, all right? And then this place will now accept you. Okay, they will now accept you. Then you will be seeing me in your friend profile. I will be seeing you too on your friend profile. Then we are now mutual friends. Okay, now the most important aspect where I am going to monitor very well, and if you cheat on another person, I am strictly going to tell the other person to ban you and block you. Now this is what I'm talking about. After you guys, okay, let me type, okay, this is somebody's account that I am using now. Okay, now let me type somebody and let me try making a call for you to get the gist. Okay, remember, the person must know you. You can't just type somebody's name. Like I'm seeing Coach Ella here, but I can't call her because I don't know her. She might not answer me. She might not add me. Okay. So now this person now, okay, I'm using somebody's phone. Oh, forgotten is not my own account. This is another person's account. Now, if this person try to call me now, because we're already a mutual friend, okay? Now it takes the person to this interface. Now see, look at this place. Please keep watching and do not skip any parts, okay? Set earning split. Okay, now what do they mean? If the person is the one calling me, as this person want to call me now, Coach Faith, okay, now they will tell the person to split the earnings. Okay, now the person can decide to say, okay, I am calling Coach Faith, the earnings is not going to be 50-50. So the person will make his own, will use this control circle. Okay, can you see it? We move the control circle forward. Okay, the more the person move it forward, the lesser my earning and the greater his earning or her earnings. Do you understand what I just explained? If the person move it backward, the lesser the person, the greater my earnings. Okay, so there are some people that can cheat on you. They will call you. Okay, that is why you need to join my community and let me be the one that is peering you or is calling you. At least you guys will trust me that I will not cheat you. Okay. Now, if somebody randomly call you, you don't know, the person can decide to say, okay, I want to call this person, but I cannot share the same earnings with this person. So the person will use this control line and move it forward. Do you see that? Now, this is 85-15, meaning the person will have 85% of the earnings. Remember, the total earning is $20. Please listen attentively. The total earning is $20, right? So the person will decide to say, okay, out of the total earnings, I'm taking 85%, and Coach Faith is taking 15%, and you will not know. Okay, and you know it's $20 per hour. All right. I don't know if I should be calling the amount here. I don't know. So please, you guys, you just try to understand. So now, remember the amount 20, right? I might not be calling the figure like dollars so that I don't want anything to happen to this video, okay? So the amount is 20, all right? The person is now earning 85 and I will be giving 15. You can see. So for 1 hour that is supposed to be 20, the person is taking 17 and I am taking 3. Why should that happen? Okay? That is total greediness, all right? So for 1 hour, the person will take 17, me will take 3. It's not the same hours we spend together. Why should you be earning more than me just because you call me and I don't know you? So do you see the reason to join the community and let me be the one that call you? At least you will know, you'll be rest assured. Now, do you know where you are going to know? After the call, the person will see it. Okay, the person will see it that. So after all the 1 hour call, it is just 3 that is for me. This person, you will finish the call before you know the rate at which the person, which is if it is the person that is calling you. What if it is you that is calling the person? You too have your own chances of doing the exact thing that this person has done. But is that right? I feel it is not right, right? So if the person set it like this, the person will now call me. So me will pick. I will be happy that somebody call. I'm going to make so amount, not knowing I'm making peanuts. The person just used me to cash out. Do you understand? So what would you do? Now you have to make it 50-50 and leave it this way. So it will be 10-10. Okay. So for 1 hour, the person is making 10. Another hour, another person is making 10. Good. Okay. And where can you get this actual rate? Just only my platform. And this explanation, watch other video. Nobody will hammer it for you like this. The only place where you get real tutorial when it comes to how to do some certain things and all of that is only on this channel. And that is why you need to like and give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Thank you for your explanation, or say something good that will encourage me to bring more, because there are more of these videos, all right? So you guys need to be encouraging me by liking and subscribing and commenting. And if you have any question, like I've been saying, drop it in the comment section. Others can learn from your question, all right? So once it starts like this, you will now call. Now when you call, you are going to notice some glitch. It might disconnect. Immediately you call, the platform will give you the rules. Make sure you record in a quiet place. If your phone speaker is not loud, use microphone or use a headset. Okay, they need that audibility. Do you understand? So if the call disconnected and you know you've set everything, you are not in a noisy place, then call again, it will go through. You'll be seeing the countdown. And the call that they record or they accepted is from 10 minutes above. Anything less than 10 minutes, that call cannot be monetized, meaning they can't pay you for that call. So what this is all about is you are using this to train AI. You are using your calls, you are using what you are doing here to train AI. Okay, so that is how basically it is. And then you will be accumulating more for yourself. So if each day you can see somebody to even call, even if it is me you are calling, every day you just message me like, coach, I want us to make calls. Oh, okay. I can decide to say okay, and I'll be giving you 10-10. I believe you understand what it means 10-10. Okay. So if you are making 10-10 every day, come on now. If you're making 10-10 every day, in 1 month, you've made, you know how much you have made? Do the calculation yourself. 10-10 every day for 30 days. And you can decide to make 20 every day, 30 every day, which is for 3 hours. But it must be something serious, something real good you guys are discussing, very audible, so that they can accept. I told you it's going to be on that review. So when they review to your own page, they should be able to see something to pay for. Okay? Because this platform is becoming real popular. So if you have any question, do well to leave it in the comment section. Do well to like, do well to subscribe. Now, should I beg you to join my community? No, you are seen in necessity to join now, okay? So if you want to join, the link is in the pinned comment. Make sure you join. And if you have not watched my recent videos that will be popping up on the screen now, you can watch them. They are of a great benefit to you. Do have a lovely day, guys. Catch you tomorrow for another incredible video. Bye.